to my channel. My name is SimplyKrystelle. So today's video is going to be a throwback Thursday palette video. So I was thinking about like not every Thursday, but like some Thursdays of the month, just making a video with using old palettes that were so hyped up. And because, you know, like in our collections, we, like with new launches and stuff coming out like almost every day, we always tend to buy the newest things and we forget about our other things that we have in our collections that we love so much. So today I'm using the Morphe 3502 palette, and I created this look with this palette, and nobody talks about this palette. And I remember when it first came out, it was so hyped up. Like everybody was like going to grab it and everybody was talking about it. So today I just decided to do like a throwback Thursday palette look with this palette right here. I really like how this look turned out. Now before we get on to the tutorial, do not forget to subscribe down below. Press the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Let's get on to the tutorial. So I already primed my eyelids, and I'm going to take my Morphe 3502 palette, and the first shade I'm going to go in with is this brownie shade. I actually lost the sheet with all the names on it, so I'm just going to describe them by the way they look. Now I'm going to apply that orangey reddish shade into my crease, and I'm going to take a smaller brush because I'm trying to get a more precise application. Now I'm going to take this bright fiery red shade, and I'm also going to be applying that to my crease area. This is kind of like the star crease shade, and this is like the shade that's just going to pop out and just make everything come together. So now I'm just taking this brush and I'm just using it to kind of just blend everything together and take away all the harsh lines. So I wanted to add some depth to the outer corner of my eye, so I'm just taking this rich chocolate brown shade and I'm going to pat it on the outer corner of my eyes and then blend it in. Now I'm going to take this beautiful shimmery red shade, this like cherry red shade, and I'm just going to apply that on my lids, but I'm going to stop where the brown is in the outer V. I'm not going to do my whole lids with this shade. Now I'm just taking a clean fluffy brush and just blending everything together, and just so that there's no harsh lines and so it doesn't look like chalky, it doesn't look unblended. To highlight my inner corners, I'm taking this beautiful gold. I'm going to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone. And to tightline and for my waterline, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. gel eyeliner in the shade black. For foundation, I'm taking the Hourglass liquid vanish in the shade golden almond. I love this foundation so much. For concealer, I'm taking the NYX HD concealer. I haven't used this concealer in forever. I'm going to be using that to highlight, but for me it didn't really feel and look like it was highlighting my face. It seemed like it probably got darker. I don't know. And to set all of that, I'm going to be taking my Colourpop loose setting powder in the shade Banana. I love this powder so much. I love just banana setting powders a lot. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Sheer finishing powder in the shade Dark Deep. And now I'm going to be taking the Anastasia bronzer in the shade Mahogany. This is one of the only bronzers that actually work on my skin tone. If you guys know any bronzers for women of color, please let me know in the comment section down below. To highlight my face, I'm taking this e.l.f. highlighter in the shade 24K Gold. And I'm just highlighting the tops of my cheekbones and my nose. And now I'm just taking this Milani Baked Blush in the shade Rose Doro and just applying a little bit to the apples of my cheeks. This blush is so pretty, you guys. Like, it's the perfect peachy, pinky, corally blush. To line my lips, I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Toast. And for lipstick, I thought I would do a throwback as well. I'm taking the NYX Lingerie lipstick in the shade Ruffle Trim. Do you guys remember when these lipsticks came out? I think it was like 2015 or 2016, but nobody wears these anymore. But I just had them and I was like, you know what, let me just wear it. And now I'm gonna take that reddy shade, that beautiful shade, and I'm gonna smudge my lower lash line with it. Now I'm going to take this orangey shade and I'm going to also smudge my lower lash line with this one. Now I'm going to take the e.l.f. Pump It Up mascara and just apply that. I'm not applying falsies today, but this mascara is just okay. It doesn't like do anything extra or special, but it's okay. I always forget this, but I'm going to set my face with the e.l.f. matte setting spray. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!